Hey everyone, this is Brother Daniel Gibson. I am your teacher for Physics 121, and I'm really excited to get to know you guys and to discuss physics and learn it together with you over the next couple of weeks. Quick first introduction from me. I'm sitting here in front of some pictures of my family, so I'll quickly introduce myself. That is my wife of now 7 years. That's my daughter, who's about 5 years old now. And let's see over here. That is my son. He's now almost 3. So these pictures are a few years old. We got one more on the way, and we're really excited about that. For me personally, I graduated from BYU in physics with an emphasis in astronomy, which I absolutely loved. After that, I moved to Boston, where I got a master's degree in education, and I've been spending the last almost 10 years now being a high school physics teacher, both in Boston and now in Denver. Really excited to get started with you. I just wanted to show you around the website here. I'm going to get my face out of the way. Here's our course. And I just want to make you aware of a few things. One, in the announcements tab right here, if I click on it, it's going to load up a weekly email from me and other announcements that I might have to make. This is where you're going to find information on upcoming assignments or due dates and reminders about things that I expect from you. So check these every week, or as frequently as they pop up, you'll get notifications when they do. If I go down here to modules, you'll see that the entire course is already laid out. We've got every week's worth of information. If I go down here, I can see all of week 1 and all of week 2, which for this course is the end of the entire thing. But you'll see every assignment that you have to do for the entire course all laid out for you and ready to go. So you can get prepared and be ready for whatever's coming your way, and you can get that done as soon as you like. Let me walk you through maybe one of the first weeks here. I've got some required reading here. If you click on that, you can start taking a look at that and reading through the week 1 reading. And then you have some responses from that reading to do here, 1 due Thursday and 2 due Friday. I just want to make you quickly aware that if you do them on Thursday or Friday, you're not going to have enough time to finish because these are all discussions. As you know, in the BYU Idaho learning model, you're going to be discussing, teaching, and learning together as a group. So you need to respond to these early enough that you can get in on the discussion and be a part of that group. In this particular case, you're going to write a welcome email for a class that you're going to do, and your replies will appear below, and you can reply to your peers and start discussions, and we can have an enriching experience. So you need to get these assignments done early enough that you can be a part of those discussions as they come. You can see here's an example from Brother Farrell. And all of the replies that have come from him, these great discussions that we've been having because we started early enough to do that. So please keep that in mind with these discussion assignments. Let's go back to modules, and you can see all the other discussions and other assignments that you'll have to do. Here at the end of week 2, you have some other things, a screencast and some other things that are due on Wednesday and Friday. You can see all of these up front, and you can plan your weeks accordingly. We'd like you to stay on top of that. If you do have any questions for people in particular, you can click on the People tab here, and you can see a list here of all the students in the class, and you can get their email addresses and talk to them individually if you need to one-on-one. So here we go. You can also find me. There I am right there. Feel free to drop me a line anytime. That's our quick tour of the classroom. I hope that it makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop me a line on an email, or in the modules, you can go and find a question and answer, and you can drop a question there if you do have any questions. Like I said, I'm really excited to teach you, and I'm looking forward to getting to know you in the next couple of weeks as we learn physics.